Hello everyone, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I have really bad acne. Do you ever have one of those days where you're just not that into it? That's today for me. And today we're going to be trying out this bougie foundation. This is the Dior Airflash Spray Foundation. Thank you so much to Dior for gifting this to me, complimentary of Dior. Thank you so much. So I'm so excited to try this out, you guys. If you guys have been on YouTube for quite a bit, you guys know. I think Manny MUA really loved this foundation. I think Jeffree Star really liked it too. I know a couple YouTubers swore by this stuff, so I was like, you know, I best be trying. So let's go and see if this can cover my acne. So this is a medium natural finish coverage kind of thing, and so it's supposed to deliver an airbrushed effect with precision and ease. I got mine in the color 200. Boost radiance for perfect complexion that lasts all day, even on the runway. Ooh, it's supposed to ensure up to 12 hours of hold and colors stay true. Let's see, it's ultra fine texture, allows to buildable coverage, blah blah blah. Okay, how to use. Shake the can for 5 seconds. Okay, spray 20 centimeters, which is about 8 inches away from the face, in a Z formation for optimal makeup results. Spray on the buffing brush. Okay, so let's try this spray method. 8 inches? 8? Okay. No. Ooh, I can smell the aerosol. See that? Okay, Z. Oh, that totally went in my mouth too. Okay. Did it work? I'm not a fan of this spraying method. But so far so good. Let's spray it directly on the brush. Spray onto the brush and apply in circular... And apply in circular circular motions. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay. There it is on one side of my face. I mean, it's okay. I wonder... You definitely get a little bit more coverage if you just spray it directly on there, but I don't like how it looks. Ugh. Not looking too hot. But there it is. Let's try it with a sponge. Today I have the Sonia Kashuk Marble Sponge to try on the other side. Oh, that was a lot. Oh! Okay, yeah, that's it now. Isn't gonna... Cover. Oh yeah, that like took all the foundation off. Well, that's a no. Now that I had the sponge on, I can't even put the foundation on over it because my skin is still like a little wet from... There we go. Can you see this down here? That just looks... Ew! So unattractive. It's like clinging to all the dryness on my acne. And not cute. Oh, it kind of settled a little bit. It just needed it needed time to think. Let's try some concealer action. So I have the new Huda Beauty concealer. Picked mine up from Sephora, and this is really cool. I tried it out a little bit because I just couldn't wait. But it has this like metal tip to it, and it's so cold when you put it on. It's supposed to help with like depuffing, I think. Ooh, but the foundation is like settling into my lines under my eyes. Not cute. Oops, I got a little too much on that side. So I've got the concealer on. Bam! That made me look so awake, and it like dries to a powder finish. Or it's the foundation underneath. I'm not too sure, but it dried to a powder finish. And I look so awake. Like, that is full coverage concealer. But you can definitely still see a lot of my redness and everything. Maybe I'll spot conceal a little bit. A lot, I mean. Okay, let's go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. I know some of you guys have requested that I do like my foundation and the rest of my makeup on camera, but I feel like the video would be so long and so boring. And half the time I don't even know what I'm doing with my makeup, and it takes me forever because I'm just playing around with eyeshadow. So let me know if you guys want like a tutorial or something. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Why don't come back?
Come on.
Because I got a special guest helping me with my makeup. Let's see. I don't have lashes on or anything like that. But you guys always ask what lashes that I use. I use the House of Lashes lashes in Siren for my lashes. And I don't know. I need to put those on. We'll put on some City Color. Is it City Color? Yeah. City Color lipstick in N5. Kiss Me Softly. Anybody else over the liquid lipstick thing? Because I am. Because it looks so cakey to me. Yeah, he's got a magic touch, so he's going to put my lashes on. Ready? And ta-da! And somehow it just started bleeding. I wasn't even picking it, it just started bleeding, so I don't even know where that came from. But the time is currently 2:43. And I'm gonna wear this as long as I can, but here is how it looks. There she goes. Alright. Pain of mine to my hair, but we are back. The time is currently 8:28, and this held up decently well, although I was at home pretty much all day because I am sick, you guys. The weather finally caught up to me. I'm feeling like crap, so we'll see how this goes, but I am very sick. Today is Thursday on the day that I'm filming this, so hopefully I'm feeling better by the time this gets uploaded. But yeah, I don't think this is worth the $62 that it is. I mean, it held up decently, but I don't think this is necessary for like the average person at all, especially if you have really bad acne. Because like it's definitely emphasizing a lot of my acne spots and things like that, so I don't think it's anything super spectacular for the price tag. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye!